All right, so we're going to look at a couple examples of with just 9/10 and rounding tenths, what that means. And then we'll look at a couple examples with 0.99 or 99 hundredths after that, and what does that mean? Okay, so after we try these, I would recommend first maybe pausing, thinking about it yourself, and then checking to see how you did. And then there will be a practice page for you to work on. All right, so let's take a look at this. If I'm rounding to tenths, I can use that same strategy where here's my tenths, and I draw my line, and now I'm looking at the number next door. That's a 5, so I'm going to round up. All these examples I'm just rounding up, because when you round down, you would just leave it as a 9. Okay, you would just leave it as a 9. Well, maybe I should have another one. Well, let's do that. I'll add another one. I'll do 17.932 or something. Okay. All right, so here, so now I'm going to round up. Okay. Well, rounding up, here I am at 23 and 9/10, and then my next tenth, if I'm counting by tenths, 23 and 9/10, 23 and 10/10, no, 23, no, 24. So I'm at 24 and 0/10. That's where I am. Okay, those are the tenths if I was counting by tenths. So here I have 23 and 9/10 rounding up, and that's going to get me to 24 even. Okay, so that equals 24. I don't need to write anything else, just the 24. All right, here, so if I'm at 99 and 95 hundredths, and I'm rounding to tenths again, so I find my tenth, there's a 5 there, I'm going to be rounding up, okay? What am I going to be rounding up to? 100. All right, so again, if we had a number line, and we were counting by tenths, so I have 99 and 9/10. Here I have 100, all right? And so 99 and 95/10 is right here. It's right in between. Oops, sorry, 95/10. It's in the middle, and so we say since it's in the middle, we round up. So that next tenth is going to be 100. All right, here's a non-example here. So I have 17 and 932 thousandths. Again, I look at the tenths. I'm going to, at this point, round down because we're not rounding up. In that case, I'm just at 17 and 9/10. Again, if I were to draw a number line, I have 17 and 9/10. I'm counting by tenths. I go to 18. Okay, and so 17, that number right here, is somewhere around here. Okay, so it's closer to that 17 and 9/10. All right, let's look at when we have double nines. So I have 176 and 995 thousandths. If I'm rounding to the hundredths, I look at that 9 there. I look to the right, I see a 5, so I'm going to be rounding up. So where are we on a number line? Well, I have 176.99, and then the next hundredth is 177. So 176.995 is right there in the middle. And again, since it's a 5, we've decided we're going to be rounding up. So my answer just is 177. And lastly, I'm at 299 and 997 thousandths. If I'm counting by hundredths, I'm at 299 and 99 hundredths. And then the next hundredth is 300. And this is very, very close to 300. So we are checking here, and we're rounding to that hundredth. Well, that's going to be 0.00003. So really the only number that's changed, or the number that's going up, is the 3. Okay, that numeral. So our answer is 300. Okay, there should be a practice page. Check it out. When you finish it, let me know. And good luck. Bye.